Heartiest welcome. Last tutorial I have discussed how we can use our Android mobiles using our desktop and laptop. We have used scrcpy.exe software. While we use scrcpy.exe software for the first time, in few machines it might not work. For example, while I was using for the first time in my machine, the scrcpy.exe file was not running there. That might be the problem related with Android SDK platform tools. Now, how the problem has been solved, I am discussing here. Entering into the procedure, please subscribe. It will encourage me to upload more and more important tutorials. While we try to access my mobile on my desktop by using scrcpy.exe, in few machines we may face problem. Here in my Windows 10 desktop, I am running scrcpy.exe. scrcpy.exe is not running in my machine. Entering into command prompt, taking path of scrcpy.exe. In command prompt, entering into it by cd command. Now running scrcpy, we got error indication adb push returned with value 1. How to solve this problem? We need to take help of Android SDK platform tools. Searching Android SDK platform tools. Here this is download platform tools for Android SDK manager. Entering into this, these are different versions of Android SDK platform tools. This is version 29.05. This is 31.03 version. This is for Linux, Mac OS and Windows. I need to download this Windows version. Clicking this, start download. Taking the file, copy, pasting it in desktop. This is the file I have downloaded. Doing unzip. This is platform tools, and inside this platform tools so many files are here. Now copying this platform tool and pasting it in my C drive. This C drive, users, again user. Here this is .android and inside this I am pasting it. This is platform tools under .android folder. Inside this I need to copy these three files: adb.exe, adbwinapi.dll and adbwinusbapi.dll. Taking these three files and I will paste it in scrcpy software folder. Pasting it here. Replace the files in the destination. It is not permitting to paste, so I am restarting my computer. After restarting my desktop, again I am trying to copy and paste those files. C drive, users, user, .android, platform tools, taking these three files, copying this, pasting it in my software folder, replace the files in the destination. Yes, now it is okay. Now trying to run scrcpy.exe. Yes, problem solved. Now it's okay. Now I can access my Android device using my desktop. Accessing my mobile, running noconsole.exe. Yes, it's okay, fine. Accessing with other version 1.18. running, say yes, it's okay. So we got an idea how to solve that type of problem while we were using strcpy.exe file for using our Android mobile with our desktop and laptop. I'm not telling that this is the only procedure or only solution, but this might work, and if you face any problem to use this screen copy software, then you may try with this solution. I will upload more and more important tutorials. Please subscribe, put your comments and queries in comment section.